Hello, my favorite student. Yeah, that will be you, Gio. Of course, you're my favorite student, and also my cleverest student, if you will. Okay. Um, Here is. Oh, thank you, by the way, by the nice message you sent me. I love that. I love that. I did see it, and I love you too. Okay. Here it is. So we were working with these things here, right? And we were adding them up. Well, actually, that's what we were doing. And of course, you, as usual, you already answered. I didn't even ask you to do it yet, and you already answered. How do you do that, little one? So that will be just 1 plus 1, and no, 1 plus 1, I said. And that should be 2 over 3, isn't it? And that should be the answer. Yeah? Let's suppose you do 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Of course, that is 2 plus 1 over 3, and that should be 3 over 3. And only when you see this here, of course, that's equivalent to just 1, isn't it? Okay? So you're accustomed to working with those things, and you are a pro with it, okay? We're going to introduce something relatively new, something where the bottom number, or this is called the denominator. I think you can read now. You're not illiterate anymore, are you? Denominator. Not terminator. Denominator, Giovanni. Not terminator. Denominator. And this one here is called the numerator. Numerator. That's going to be on your test. So you need to know the names of those things. Like, what is the numerator? What is the denominator? The numerator, the number that is above the line, and the denominator is the number that is below the line. Okay? So those are the parts. All right? So here, however, the other object does not have the same denominator. The denominator is not the same as this one here. We cannot add them up as they are because it's not possible, okay? They have to be the same kind to be able to add them up, just like we did before, like here. Like each one has 3, as you can see, yeah? This one here also has 3 as the denominator, and because of that, we could add them up. We could add them up, okay? But here we have a new case where the denominators are different. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, not a problem. Actually, it's very simple. That's what we have. All you have to do is take this number, put it over here, and also here. That's a little trick. And do the same with this number, put it over here and here. That little dot over there means multiplication. And you already know that because we have used it before. Multiplication, okay? Multiplication. So what it means then is if you want to make the denominator the same, you have to multiply by each number in both in the numerator and denominators. Okay? And now you obtain, and then you multiply. Of course, you know how to multiply already. 1 times 2 is, oh, you already answered it, didn't you? 2. And what will be 2 times 3 or 3 times 2? That's right, 6, yeah. And then, of course, 2 times 3 over here should be the same, isn't it? That's 6. And 1 times 3 is 3. Look at this. Now you can do this here because you know how to multiply, little one. And because of that, now the denominators both are the same. You just made a change to the original problem and made the denominator the same, And since the denominators are the same, now you can just add the numerators as usual, and the answer should be 5/6, and that's your answer. Simple, isn't it? Let me do another one. 1/2 plus 2/5, let's suppose now. Again, the denominators are the same, are not the same, right? So that means that we have to use the little trick. The little trick is called the least common multiple. So when you work and try to repeat it so that you remember it, that's going to be your test also. Least common multiple, that's what it's called. And it stands for LCM, but it means least, like this, least common and multiple. Yeah, my handwriting is worse than yours, and I'm not a baby. So, what is the process then? Well, the process is that you must exchange this number and this number and do it both on top and bottom. So this one gets the 5 and this one here gets the 2. Yeah? And because of that, now this here is what? That's 10, isn't it? 2 plus 5 is 10. What about this one here? 5 times 2 the same, 10. Yeah? And then here in the numerator, that should be 1 times 5 is 5. And 2 times 2 is, that's right, 4. So now we're using what you learned before, and you should be so excited because you can do it. That is extremely exciting. Indeed. Are you jumping up and down? Are you moving your little tail? Don't show me your tail, you little one. I said just moving your tail. I didn't say show me your tail. So 5 plus 4 is, that's right, 9/10, and is the answer. This here is the answer. So 1/2 plus 2/5 is equal to 9/10, and that's very nice. Let me tell you, you already know this, and that is absolutely fantastic. These are your problems for your homework, because you can repeat what I just showed you. 1 plus, we'll say 7. Another one, 1/3 plus 1/5, maybe. Another one, 1/4 plus 1/7. This one here is going to be a little difficult for you, isn't it? Well, let's try to see if you can do it. And then 1/10 plus 1/11, maybe. Yeah. And then 1/2 plus 1/9, maybe. And then another one, maybe 1/7 plus 1/. Let's go crazy. There you go. That's your homework. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I should send you another one maybe tomorrow, a couple of days. Let me know how you like it, and if you did, put a big smile on your homework when I get it, okay? I adore you. Bye.